Hello. So, Kaiden, I'm going to be testing this. Sorry, burp. The Urban Decay Naked Heat. As you can see, they're all just bland and like boring colors. But I will try and do it for you. So first we're going to go in with, a mix of chaser and sauce. And just apply that evenly across the eyelid. No, I'm not pulling my skin, I'm just getting my hair out of the way. So now we're going to go into Lobo. We're gonna slightly deepen our crease with it. Gonna use my tiny little magnifying mirror. They're not like the best to blend out. I mean, they're blending out nicely. Okay, they blend nicely. I take that back, but it's still. Ew, my fingernail like dipped into it. And then. We are going to mix Infugo and Ashes, these two colors, and deepen up our outer crease. Now, taking some setting spray, and we are going to go in with Lumber. It's a nice light shade. It's a nice orangey shimmer shade that I do love. I'm really have to digging and get it. This is okay. We are now going to go into the shade Scorched. And get the middle of our eye. Wow, love how they're literally almost the same color. I'm actually just going to cover up the former shade with this shade, and we'll go back in later and fix it. So now taking the light shade Ember, we are going to do the outer corner of my eyes. I'm going to finish up the rest of my face and I will get back to you, Kaiden.